Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Earth to explore geographic locations and scientific features around the world. This is a great tool for classrooms because it allows students to interact with real places rather than just seeing pictures in a textbook. First, you're going to go to earth.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll see a 3D globe that you can rotate and explore. But first you need to hit New, open a new map, and that'll bring you to the 3D globe. On the left side of the screen, there's a search bar. I'm going to type in Mount Etna, which is one of the most active volcanoes in the world and is located in Italy. When I click the search, the Google Earth automatically zooms into the location, and you can now rotate the view to see the volcano from different angles like this. Over here on the right, you have a little description, gives you a link to the Wikipedia page, and you can see a nice picture of what Mount Etna looks like. And you can see here it gives 20 different examples from Mount Etna. If you zoom in further, you actually see the shape of the volcanic crater and the surrounding landscape. So I'm going to zoom in. You can actually see, you can look around, see what the craters look like. They have some different pictures that you can click on. Down here on the bottom right, it gives you the option to tilt the view to 3D. That gives you another interesting look at Mount Etna. Another helpful feature is turning on layers in like borders and labels or photos. So up here, you can add some different data layers. It gives you options to choose from. If you can scroll down, I'm going to choose the different elevation contours. And then I'm going to choose one of the free ones. Let's see. I think this is good. We're going to just use the one layer here. You can see the different contour layers. You can also put shapes here to see the different contours just of a certain area. Over here on the left, it has different layers that you're creating. Another helpful feature, like I said, I can add different things, like a place mark, path, or a polygon. Here I can measure different distances, figure out the square, the area which that area I just selected is, gives the perimeter as well, elevation estimates. And these can help students understand where the volcano is located and allow them to see real images taken by people who have visited this area. Teachers, we can use the Google Earth to help students visualize concepts such as volcanoes, earthquakes, and tectonic plates. So Google Earth is a powerful tool that helps students explore the world and connect scientific concepts to real locations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this demonstration helps you bring geography and science to life in your classroom.